Hey guys, back for another video. As I stated, I was going to keep you all in the loop to what was going on with Nene Leakes and her son Bryson Bryant, which she calls him Bryce, if you guys have ever watched The Real Housewives of Atlanta. So it's getting messy and crazy. Apparently, the neighborhood talk has reported that Bryce does not have money for an attorney, and it looks like he is going to be going the public defender route. So, for all of you who may not be accustomed or familiar with the legal system, let me give you a 2-minute course. So, whenever someone gets a public defender, that is something that's assigned by the state. It's like food stamps or public assistance. So basically, if you're indigent, which means indigent, obviously, you're broke, you don't have a job, you don't have any money. So that means that the court will come in and assign you an attorney. So it looks like that is what's happening in this case. And this is being reported by Neighborhood Talk. Also, in the comments, some of you were in the comments saying, Nene Leakes should be ashamed of herself for not being in this situation and not basically paying for her son's attorney. First of all, let me speak up about that because I am also a mother of an adult son. And if you guys have watched the Real House of House Real I can't talk the Real House of I can't even talk. Real Housewives of Atlanta, you would know that Nene Leakes bought Bryson his own home. So she actually bought him a house, and if I'm correct, very close to a $300,000 house. And that was years ago. So you would have to do the calculation. I mean, she bought this house about 10 years ago. So you could imagine what that home would be for, what it would be priced at now. So just look at that, because apparently she has helped him and she has helped him many times. If you guys, again, if you follow the show, there had been times where he had gotten himself into situations where she had gotten him out. And then, there was one time where she said, "Hey, I'm just going to let him figure this out." There is a time in everyone's life, especially when you get to your 30s, that your parents have done all that they can do. Now, I am not one to judge anybody, but from what I understand, I believe that Nene Leakes has done all that she can for her son, and this may be a situation that he is going to need to figure out on his own. We all know that Nene has been through a lot over these last year. Her husband passed, and then her other son, Brett, suffered a massive something was going on, where he practically was fighting for his life. So if Nene is like, "Boy, figure this out," I wouldn't blame her, because at some point you got to let these kids grow up. Now, moving right along, let's talk about the situation and some more information that has been reported. Now, I was very aware that Bryce, he's a father, he does have children, but it is looking like Bryce actually. Well, his name is Bryson, but he does go by the name Bryce. It seems that he has a bunch of kids by different women. Now, that I did not know. And just pulling up this information, um, it looks like that the world first learned Bryson was having a kid. It was with his then girlfriend, Ashley Hill. And that was reported on season 4 of The Real Housewives of Atlanta. And Nene had revealed in 2012 that she actually had a granddaughter. I'm sorry, that she was a grandmother of another baby girl named Briasia. Now, if you guys have ever watched the show, or if you ever follow Nene, she's always bragging and talking about Briasia. Briasia is definitely her girl. Per Radar Online, Bryson or Bryce, same person, the same son that we're talking about right now, who had gotten into the legal trouble. Um, and Ashley, they actually have two more children, and that's Braden Bryant, which is a boy, and his nickname is Little Benny. Also, they welcome another son, and his name is Braden Zier Rashad Bryant, and he was born in 2013. However, it looks like Bryson is not claiming all the children with Ashley. For some reason, this is straight coming from looks like Radar Online. It looks like Bryant has an ex-girlfriend by the name of Marina Robinson. Um, and she's claiming that she also has a daughter with him, and her name is Bria Milani. And it seems that they may have started going out in 2012 after they met at an Atlanta club. It seems like things went south between the two as soon as Bryson found out that the young lady was actually pregnant. It seems like this young lady, Robinson, is claiming that Bryson has never been present in her daughter's life. And she further stated that Bryson has never been there financially or emotionally to support her or this child. Now, it seems like his other kid's mother has kind of been silent about the situation. However, there is a child by the name of Blaze, and then there is a alleged baby mother by the name of Simone Davis. Now, again, if you guys follow the show at all, or if you follow Nene, this Simone girl has been trouble from the beginning. She's been basically very outspoken, and she just always talked about how terrible of a person that Bryson was. In a now deleted Instagram post, she went on a rant about how he has never been present for her child. Um, and basically, she called him a deadbeat dad. However, other sources close to Nene leaks and her son, they're saying that that is not Bryson's biological child, and that Simone is furthermore a clout chaser, and she's only blasted Bryson for attention. Nonetheless, it's been reported that Bryson and this girl Simone has been seen together on multiple times in the past. And it looks like the girl, Simone Davis, she refuses to allow him to take a paternity test, which is very odd because if he in fact is the father, why is it that she is not allowing him to take a paternity test? So I don't know, guys. Do you think this chick is a clout chaser? So that's pretty much. Oh, and he's still in jail. So Bryson is still in jail. And it is again being reported that he does not have money for an attorney. So my next question to you guys, do you think that Nene should pay and foot his attorney bill? What do you think? Also, wait a minute. I don't want to leave anything out. I don't want to leave because there's some more information that I'm missing here. It's also being reported that he was originally caught because he was sitting outside of a home, and it looks like there was a report of a vehicle, a strange vehicle that was sitting outside. And reports say that when police arrived, they talked to him and then noticed some kind of powdery substance inside of his vehicle, which is on the previous video that I posted yesterday. So make sure you guys go and check out that video so that you can be up to date on everything that is going on, okay? So just go check out that video so that you guys can watch this video and know exactly what's going on. Let me just make sure I'm not leaving out anything. I think I have pretty much said everything here. Yeah, so I will be back if something else comes up, so that I can report it and let you guys know what's going on. But right now, he is still in custody and does not have enough money to be able to pay for a lawyer. So let me know, do you think Nene should pay the bill for him? What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video.